Here we are. We're at the dentist.
Come on, baby. It's time for your yearly checkup. Gotta make sure you don't have any cavities. I hate going to the dentist. I'm so scared. Don't be scared. Come on, Mama's got you. Let's go inside.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because we will be unboxing the Li'l Woodzeez Walk-in Health Clinic. There's 55 little pieces that's included. On this side, there's the doctor's side, and on this side we have the dentist.
That's where I'm gonna be taking little baby. I don't wanna go. Come on.
Here's a close-up of the doctor's side. There's a little scale right here. Oh, a little cart, a little medi bag, little bandages. There's some tools on the side, a cabinet, a bed. This side's the dentist. There's a little chair here, some tools over here, some little x-rays, a book, some teeth, little eye vision chart. I love the little chair and a stethoscope. And they even have a little doctor's gown. And here's the front of the clinic. It's so adorable. There's a little sign here that says closed and open on the other side. And a little tooth and a little acorn. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. I'm so excited. Alright, and here we have the little eye chart. And a little skull. And we also have, oops, little tumble. Some books here. Oh my goodness, there's so many pieces. And there's the little teeth, how cute. Here's a little chart, the x-rays, a little cute little table, and then some more tools. And then here's the little chair. Let's pop that open. Oh my goodness. These are actually individual little pieces. They're so tiny. Oh, so cute. Then here we have the dentist chair. These are made really well. I love them. Ooh, a little stethoscope. Okay, on to the doctor's side. So right here in the front, we have a cute little medical cart with a little medi bag. Let's pop those open. Here's the little cart. And the little baggie. Oh, how cute, a little cast and a little bandage. We also have a little scale right here. See how much you weigh. And then right over here, oh, a little divider. That makes sense. If the dentist and the doctor have to share an office, there should be a little divider. All right, let's pop this open. A little cabinet. I love how cute this is. There's so many tiny little pieces. Just pops open. And look, on the back, there's a little spot for you to hang it back onto the wall. Ooh, these are totally see-through. Alright, and then on the bottom here, there was a little drawer with some more tools. Oh, and it looks like there's a little crunch that's included. And these are totally workable drawers. Very cute. Then the bed. Yay! The little bed has side rails so you don't pop off if you need to get up. A little bowl of soup, a cup. Oh my goodness, the tiniest little spoon ever. And then it looks like there's a little placemat here. Oh my god, it actually comes out too. I love all these little pieces. And then we almost forgot, but there's a little patient outfit over here. Super cute. I think this would fit our dollies. So we're all done assembling the clinic. It is so cute. There's so many tiny little pieces. Oh my goodness, I love how many details gone into this piece. And then look, the little window, the shade actually works. How cute is that? And then the little medical bag right here, it opens. I put the little cast and the bandage in there. It's so adorable. Let's go ahead and bring our LOL dolls to the clinic.
Come on, baby. Don't be scared. Okay. Alright, so just go sit in the chair here, and we'll wait for a doctor to come and check you. I'm a doctor, and I'll take very good care of you. She's a little nervous. Oh, I know, baby. Let me get your chart for you. It looks like you're very healthy. You must do a great job brushing your teeth. Oh, yes, I do. I brush my teeth every day and every night. She's a very good girl. She listens very well. Okay, well, let's go ahead and check your teeth. Say, ah. Ooh, very good. Just a little bit over here. I'll clean and you will be all done. Hooray! Just a little here and just a little over here. Looks like you have no cavities, little 80s baby. You are all done with your checkup. You did a great job. I'm so proud of you. Thank you. Thank you, doctor. Here's an apple for you. You are such a good girl. Apples are good for your teeth, and they're so healthy. Thank you, Dr. Countess. It was very nice to meet you, little 80s baby. Goodbye, 80s mama. Come on, baby, let's go home.
Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing, and I will see you guys next time.